There, now I'm in. Okay, I'm Andrew Larder from marketingsharks.com. This is called Done For You Holiday Commissions. Let's take a look inside. You're going to love this. They go blah, 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 simple way to make money. I'm going to go up here because they have like, hey, 3 steps to it. So 1 is you buy the app. 2 is you call your site Jimmy's Christmas Shopping, and then you're done. You fill in a couple things. And your Amazon affiliate link is added to all this. And really what it does is no matter what you pick, it's going to go through and create Christmas shopping for parents, for new parents, for kids, for adult, all that kind of stuff. And each of them is going to have different products that are great Christmas stocking stuffers. And then you're going to have an Amazon link to each one of these. So you can see here, give your site a name, click add the whole thing. And here you go. This is what I'm talking about. So look at this. Holiday gifts for him, for her, for kids, for in-laws, for bosses, for teachers. It's going to create this whole thing. You're going to have your affiliate link. And so when they click on it, it's going to go in. People are going to be able to come to this and go, oh, holiday gifts for music lovers, and click that. And, there's going to be products, and each one of them is going to go right to I'll let you scroll through the demo videos on the thing. And there you go. Here's a good example of what that looks like. Under a minute, bam, automatic link insertion, top selling product from Amazon. Images are there. You don't have to do anything. You just set it up and it's hosted and domains there and the whole 9 yards, and away you go. Easy as that. You can do it in the next, I think it said 60 seconds. Like really, you come up with a name. So it's called Done For You Holiday Commissions. How much is it? How about $16.95 for the whole thing? So I'm going to leave that there. Not that part. And I'm going to say, hey, click the link in the video description. It'll take you to my site at marketingsharks.com for the Done For You Holiday Commissions from Kurt Chrisler. And I bet you he likes being called Kurt Chrisler, even better. And there's a demo video there, bit of a description of the upgrade offers that are there. There's a bump for some traffic training, some other holiday commission done for you. There's a $4 off discount coupon code. So not $16.95. How about $12.95 if you grab the coupon code at the bottom? Sorry, I put that at the very end of the video, but click the link, grab a copy, $12.95. I'm Andrew Larder from marketingsharks.com. You can be selling holiday sites through Amazon today in 60 seconds from doing this. Go check it out. I'm Andrew Larder from marketingsharks.com. It's called Done For You Holiday Commissions. Click the link in the video description and go check it out.